Don't look at me. Work.
Alright.
Keep it on high, baby.
Keep it on what?
Keep it on high, baby.
Alright, I'm done.
There you go, there. Keep it on high.
Welcome to Keep It On High. We're back watching the next phase of this project. Thanks for tuning in. And if this is your first time, welcome to this series, Trees to Tray Tables. So this is episode 2. I'm back here with Capstone Construction as they're clearing out a road to be able to access the lot where you can get trucks in and get equipment in to be able to build. Here's a few clips of this my point of view as the drone pilot capturing this project for Capstone Construction. Let's check it out. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date and to check out this progress because it is moving along fast and you definitely want to see this final outcome.